Welcome to the Virginia School of Traditional Arts. Today we've got another fly press video. If you haven't seen them already, I have a video out there that tells about where these came from and how I got them and how much I struggled doing that. But this one is a number 4 Norton deep body fly press, and this is the way it showed up here, covered in grease, and it had a ball in the bottom here. And this ball color matches this, so we're going to assume it goes together. But we got to get the grease off of it, clean it up, make sure it's operating good. I have 2 number 4 fly presses I intend to sell. These paper seems to work pretty good. Taking the grease out. I've wiped off most of the grease with the newspaper. This is brake parts cleaner. I get this at Wally World. And basically this helps get rid of the last little bits of it and gets it into the crevices and everything. This is a lot of times car painters and different people that paint. This is the last step before they paint. So this strips off all the oil and grease. We'll have to put oil back on the screw and on the main working parts here so that it doesn't rust and doesn't seize up. But not grease exactly. The grease sticks everything, but the oil sticks most things, but it's not as bad to work with as if it's oil. But do wear safety glasses. If you're using this, spray cans, do wear safety glasses. Spray that screw a little bit more. Spontaneous combustion is a danger when you're dealing with oily rags and greasy rags like we're going to have a bunch of here. So you need to store them somewhere that's not going to, if it bursts into flame, it's not going to catch your buildings on fire, your house on fire. I put them in my wood stove. And gloves with this stuff's probably preferred, but I personally hate gloves. All right. That ain't perfect, but that's getting pretty good. That's getting pretty close. We can put the handle on it now and twist it up and see what we got. There we go. Now we're cooking with grease. Coffee beans anyway. There we go. That's our first giddy up on this one. And all I've got in this can is some motor oil, so we're just going to start out with that. Just put some over this. Put some in here on this part. I need it on the front of it, but back in here where it's rubbing. And on the screw some here. And as it screws down, it'll spread out. There we go. And we'll squirt a little bit more now that we have it down. Squirt on the side here. We'll squirt up here too. I should have squirted some on that before I put the handle on. Alright, well, just put us a little squirt up here so make sure that handle stays from rusting. this thing operate here good. This back on. There we go. So it's good. Just going to wipe off any excess that we have. We're going to need it on the outside of this thing. We'll show you how she works. That's how it works. It gets stiff right all the way at the top. And that's what the other one was doing. It worked good from about there down. And it goes almost to the bottom. And you check these things to see if they're stiff. That was pretty good. This one has a little bolt sticking out on it, which is fine. And the other one that I got has a set screw kind of thing. So, yeah, I guess it doesn't matter either way, whatever works. That's what it came with. And then we need to put the balls on this tool. And of course they're greasy too. Alright, we put the balls on this. All they do is slide down on this square taper. We cleaned them up and put them on there. This thing is still snug at the top, and I guess that wouldn't be a bad thing if you're changing your tooling or whatever. I don't know that that's what I want. Once you get it going though, it goes. So that goes all the way to the bottom. That's probably okay with me. We'll go over here to the top. You're not usually going to spin this thing more than 3 or 4 rounds, I would think. Probably half a turn. But that sticks at the top so you can change your tool, and I think I'm going to leave it like that. We're going to put some spray lubricant on this thing, so we're getting it down in all the crevices, and I'm going to put some on these surfaces I don't have any oil on, just to keep it from rusting. Again, I get this stuff from Walmart, and it's basically cheap WD-40. So we're going to spray her down good with this. Just make sure it don't rust. Rip off this excess oil, and we're going to call this one up for sale, I think. Take some pictures of it, put it on eBay, maybe on Craigslist too. If you're in Virginia local or North Carolina, I'm right on the North Carolina line. I think we're going to call that close enough. That dude's looking pretty good in my opinion. We'll spin her down and we'll go. There you go. There you go. All the way to the bottom. I think that'll do. I appreciate you staying with us on this video. This is a number 4 Norton fly press, straight off the boat from England. If you're interested in purchasing this, you can contact me. I'll have my contact information below. If you've liked this video, please hit the like and subscribe. That helps my channel. We'll see you on the next one.